Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today we have a new vehicle. I never worked on this one. It's my customer who owns another Toyota, and she said this was sitting for a long time. It was sitting for a long time. There was some mice nest or something like that in the intake apparently, and it's not running. It's a manual transmission. The engine will run, but when you put it in the gear, you want to drive it around. She said it's barely moving. It barely runs. So as I said, I started her up. She started immediately, and then I was trying to see how she will arrive. So you see the throttle? Look at that. I keep stepping on it. It's absolutely nothing changes. The engine runs, idles pretty okay. I mean, it's too high. If you look at it, it's like 1500 RPM. We have 111,000 miles, almost 112,000 miles. The engine runs pretty good. Considering the fact there might be rats or mice still in the vehicle as we speak. You guys many times warn me, don't take it to your shop, there will be rats coming. But did you see that? Look at that. Will be definitely, you see them falling apart, or there will be some rats. But now I finally put it up here. Look at the throttle body. I can't move it. It's completely seized. There's no way for me to move it. Can you believe it? Finally it gave. Finally it's moving. I see a red poop right here. So she wants to have a full inspection. I need to take it apart completely, and hopefully we can save the vehicle. Oh look, there's a nice bow here. Who knows why? That probably was the nest there. Oh, now it's finally moving. So I just wanted to show you. This was all obviously the rats. I want to show you what can happen, why people will tow their vehicle. So here is the sweet 2004. I finally looked it up. It's a 2004 Matrix. I guess they sold her brand new battery, because that's the company who towed her. They left the bill here, so 12 miles towing was $120. Wow. I can see here some debris. I already checked and corrected those clamps. There is brand new engine air filter. And since she was talking about the mice, I immediately look on the cabin air filter. Obviously it's full of dirt and dust, but there was not mice nest behind the glove box. That's a good news. The owner said she will be giving it to her friend, so she wants to have a full inspection. If you think of it, it's a super low miles vehicle. This is very desirable car. Besides those damages on that trim, right? This is the trim. It's an XR, so it has that extra plastics, which in many cases, right here, they are being scraped and they are falling apart. So somebody will get very lucky. Some friend of hers will get very lucky, because I will go through it, what will need to be maintained or repaired. I will take care of it, I see some snails there. It's not from the rats, they were just living in it. Right, so this should be easily savable and somebody will have fun. That XR has a nice rims. So it's a cool car, definitely. And I'm glad that that was that engine air filter. I believe she put it there. Somebody will have a really nice car as a gift from the friend. So this is awesome. And the reason it was towed, they didn't realize while they are stepping on that throttle, which is not electronic throttle, it's a cable still. When they were stepping on it, well, it's made of kind of thick wire, right? You see that? It's not that plastic throttle which is rigid. So they were stepping on it and it kind of gave, and they probably thought that something's wrong with the engine, and all it was, from a sitting, it's still sticking. Obviously I will have to take this throttle body completely apart and clean it, but it's a sticky throttle body. Even me being in the cabin, I kept stepping on it pretty hard. We said I don't want to damage it, but pretty hard, and it won't move. I knew the throttle body is stuck, and sure enough it was right here. So here you got it, my friend. Another story, another vehicle. We will take care of her, and if I see something special while I'm inspecting it, I will of course let you know and film it and share it with you. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend. As we keep discussing on this channel, Toyotas are very tolerant to the lack of maintenance or tolerant to the abuse. You could see the throttle body fully stuck. The person couldn't drive it, yet there are absolutely no codes stored in the ECM. You see the emissions are not finished, but that's because somebody just replaced the battery. Other than that, I bet you, and this is the most ridiculous thing, positively ridiculous thing about Toyotas, if I fix the throttle body only and somebody will start it, driving it around, I bet you this monitors will finish itself within few days, and the vehicle will be smoggable and ready for transfer to the new owner. Obviously, we will do more work, and as I promised, if I found something interesting, I will film it for you on this channel. So yeah, let's see what adventures this vehicle will bring for us.